So, yeah, I... a minute and a half isn't gonna be, good for a main video, is it? And I have all these tools here. And I have a POV camera. Yeah, let's tear apart this camera. Okay, let us to start off by removing this tape. And now remove the batteries. Oh, see, I told you it was broken. But, yeah, let's start by unscrewing the stuff in the perimeter. Hey, okay, oh, never mind. Okay, hey, it's coming out good. Film canister cap. This is why we keep everything, and keep it on hand. Hoard everything that you possibly can for the day that the apocalypse comes and you find yourself out of supplies. Anywho, do we have more screws? Yes, we do. See, like, I can't see that. Let's... Tall. Yes, okay, that's much better. Sorry, I only plan to do this once, so I want to get the footage to be good. Why do I keep dropping that? Okay, now, hopefully, that is everything. Ooh, what was that? I really don't know how this comes apart. The rest of the video is just me trying to get this front plate off. See, I don't know what is electronically connected to that piece. How did they build you? Oh, there it is. What is you? Why is there just a band-aid looking sort of thing in here? I need to be very wary of that capacitor right there. That big black capacitor is definitely charged. In theory, we should still be able to turn this on, because there's no electrical connection to that part of it. We'll just have to, hold this on. Yep, like nothing even happened. I am putting the memory card in here because I think it's funny and I want to hear how it sounds to smack this little microphone around. You all should remember the amazing quality of this microphone, and I'm definitely gonna remind you. Is it dead? Did I kill it? Nope. Let us to set it up for a video. And now we're doing a video from this... Oh, it's not happening. Wait. Oh, wait. No. No! Oh, why did it turn off? Turn on. Please. Come on, turn back on. I can hear your little aperture going. There you go. There's very nuanced and specific timing to get it to turn on. You gotta wait for it to flash the screen very briefly and not brightly at all. And then you have to immediately stop pressing the on button, otherwise it won't turn on. Hello, back to this. Are we on? Yes. Okay, now we can flip this microphone. So yeah. Hello, back to this. Are we on? Yes. Okay, now we can flip this microphone around. So yeah, there's that little camera module, And I see... Oh. Okay. Okay. It's done. It's fine. It's just because I probably broke contact between the contacts for a very brief moment, and that caused it to turn off. Anywho, we can take this apart further. Just being very, very, very careful of that capacitor. Oop. There's a different screw type. So we can put it in this little 3D printed vase. So this, yep, definitely lifts right out of the way. And there's that SD card reader. And there's nothing else actually behind that. What is up with all these little band-aids? What are you? What are you? What is this? In case you couldn't tell, that capacitor has been scaring me this whole time. And this flash is glued on there. No, it's actually completely a part of that. That's annoying. But should be able to use it. Which I'm going to leave this here up because it's completely extra cables. The reason that this camera was not working because it was blocking the battery. I might have to use something sticky to get that out. When in doubt, I find needle nose pliers to be the solution to almost every problem. And all of my cameras, except, never mind, not all of them. Now all of my cameras are still recording. Wonder how long that one has been out. Guess we'll have to use the close-up. Oh, the screw's perfectly fine. The plastic is stripped. It can go in this lens cap. Now, these other two, which I think are fine. Yep. Oh. Ah. What, are you gonna tell me this is magnetized too? Jeez! That one came out. Okay, now this should lift out. Guess we're gonna be relying on the close-up camera much more than I was anticipating. And the battery's dying, of course. Honestly, this is just going splendidly. I can't imagine how this could go better. This is the best recording session I've ever had. Forget it. They've bested me. I cannot get this any farther apart. I don't know what this thing is, though. Jeez. What are you? Who sent you? Where are your parents? This interface board isn't connected to anything. Why would you want the USB port connected to something? Like, don't you want it to squish out of the way every time you try and plug something into it? Isn't that Remember that. There's 5 of them. 6 of them. It's just the close angle one, and even that one is dying. None of my cameras care about me. I need to go to bed. Okay, let's see if I broke it. Probably not. Yep. Perfectly fine. Pretty sure this lens actually has an aperture in it, but what is even rattling in there? I opened it up. Is it this thing? I don't even know. I'm gonna go to bed. Good night.